Okay, so here are my amazed puppies, and it's time to open up their crate and give them a play area. So let's see what they do. I just opened it up, so this is their first opportunity to try to come out of their kennel and into a play area. Let's see what they do here. A rainbow. These little guys were 6 weeks old yesterday, so it's time. I'm sure they're ready to come out and explore a little bit larger world now. Their mom's very devoted and they love her, but I put some, I know you can't see it, I put some toys and some chew bones out there, some dental bones for them to chew on, so they're all teething right now. Let's see. Oh, well, Ravi made it out first. What do you know? He's such a love bug, too. He's always wanting to come up and give kisses. He's something. Well, come on, Rainbow. Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? Huh? You'll come out? You'll come out? Yeah, come on. Come on out. Come on. Oh, Robbie went back in. See, we're just not so sure about this. Yeah, we're just not so sure. Well, come on. Come on. There he goes. Should I put the toys closer? What do you think? There's a toy. And there's a toy. I don't know what she's doing. Makes her sneeze like that. Goofy. What, Raina? You think that's your mommy? Hannah's laying here by my feet and Raina can see her and I think she thinks it's her mom. Just talking to her. Yeah, that's not your mom, Raina. No milk there. Well, come on, Rainbow. Come on, baby. You gotta see this. These guys are silly. They're like, oh, they came out. They were underneath that blue pad. Look at them. They love to play hide and go seek under these pads. It's so funny. Silly babies. Silly, silly babies. I don't know, maybe Rainbow's not just gonna need a little more time to figure out how to come out of there. So maybe I'll come back later and finish this video.